Okay, just a quick little one. So here I am with my project, sound working, everything, and if I zoom out, you can see I'm using only this little piece of my webcam footage, and I would like to run SAM on that. So if you run SAM on an 8-minute clip, it takes forever, and the quickest workaround I could find was to save clip path to bin, get on that, click on that, export this zone, so extract zone, and then add the clip to the project. So now it's copying these streams. As soon as I do it, it tells me that the clip is variable frame rate, and it is not. It is not. However, I transcoded, and that's fine. It only takes a second. So here we go, transcoded clip, and I can drag it into the screen. I can use my align audio to reference. Sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't work. It doesn't work in this case because I don't have enough space. Let's try that again. It should now work. Come on. Oh dear. Somewhere there, I believe. Let's align audio to reference. Okay, never mind. I've got more than one trick up my sleeve, so let's just take a look. Play. Yeah, it seems to be in synchro. The moment I do the transcode, my audio goes away. There's no more audio here. That's something that needs to be fixed. Sorry to say, but yeah. Okay, on to the next thing. So I can now get in here, make sure the lost frames are the same, delete this, tackle that, get rid of that audio, bump this guy down here, and now because I'm operating on this tiny little clip, I can run SAM and it actually works fairly quickly. You know, it's I'd still be here. Let's see. There we go. We'll invert it and make the mask. We'll call it intro. And yeah, that's my little workaround. Of course, in order to get this clip inserted here in the place of the one that I was editing, that piece of that one, I would love to see just a right click here and the option here, instead of extract clip and save clip path to bin and whatever. I would like to have a function that says extract and replace, something like that, something that does the steps that I've done now, but in one step. That would be quite useful. So yeah, just a little one there. So now that it's here, excuse me, where are you? Oh, it's still busy. So yeah, you can see how long it takes on just a short little piece. Can you imagine doing this for 8 minutes? It doesn't work. On my video card it runs out of memory, and I've got a 1490, so I don't know what you have to be able to stream continuously. It's a very strange thing. Okay, so yeah, once this works, I'll carry on doing the next steps. But of course, you know, that's the piece that's really important to me, is that being able to cut this piece from a different clip, stick it in the project bin, then stick it back in the timeline, have it aligned to where the other clip was previously, and have it replaced so that effects like the SAM2 works properly. In any case, yeah, thanks. I'm gonna stop it here, and oh, there's my mask. Woohoo! Apply the mask. Use the threshold. Pull it down, and just like that. And there you go. I've got my own little mask. And yeah, now if I play it, you can see it works pretty well, except for my audio that's gone. So if I save, close, and open it again, and open my recents, now my audio is back. Okay, so thank you for watching.